ATF. Betul ATF. Semuanya nama betul dia kepala AFT. ATF sepatutnya ni. Okay, ATF. Okay. Okay, let's refer to this one. Okay, I will give a bit introduction to our course contents. Okay, so overall, okay, these these are the chapters. Okay, for this subject. So we will start with the introduction to macroeconomics. Okay, introduction to macroeconomics, and then proceed with national output until international trade. Okay, until international trade. And in the last week, okay, which is week 40, okay, we will have one seminar. Okay, in this seminar, we will invite speaker. Okay, a speaker to give or deliver a talk. Okay, regarding to our syllabus or our context. Okay, that one will be held in the last semester, in the last week. Okay, which is week 14. So these are the chapters. Okay, we will start with introduction to macroeconomics until international trade. So before we start the class, you can actually review what we are going to learn in every week. So for example, next week we will learn about this topic again, which is the introduction to macroeconomics. So this is our first topic. I'm not going to touch much on this topic. Okay, maybe we can just go a bit on this. Yeah, but in details, we will learn next week. Okay, okay, and then let's proceed with the assessments. Okay, how will be evaluated for this subject? Okay, let's refer to this one. Okay, so this is your assessment. So overall it's 100% right. Okay, so we have two parts here. Okay, the first one is continuous assessment. Okay, and the other one is final assessments. Okay, final assessment is your final examination, which comprises of 40%. Okay, and for continuous assessment, okay, overall it will give you 60%. Okay, number of percent, 60%. So in this 60%, okay, this is the allocation for 60%. Okay, 10% will go to the test. Okay, 10% will go to the test. Okay, and another 50%, 15% will go to the report of case study. Okay, report of case study, and another 10% is for the presentation. So actually for the case study, okay, it will give you 25%. Okay, and another 25% cover up the assignment. Okay, so assignment 25%, case study 25%, and test 10%. So overall 60%. And another 40% is for your final examination. And for this assessment, whether case study or assignment, okay, you need to do in a group. Okay, this is group works. Okay, this is group works. Individual will be assessed based on tests. Okay, based on tests and also final assessment. Okay, and also for presentation, even though it is a group work, if you do not attend to the presentation, you will not get marked. If your name appear on the report, you can get marked, but only for the report, not for the presentation. Okay, presentation will be based on the individual. So each of you need to have a part. Okay, each of you need to have a part for the presentation. Okay, so for case study, assignment is a group works. Okay, so overall, you have how many so in online? Or in- Okay, so more or less you will have like 100. Okay, so okay, please pay attention. Okay, I want all of you